Hello, this is Ijaz and you are watching Graphics with Malak. Today we are going to create custom shapes and change the shapes into path and then convert the path into shapes. So this is very important thing in Photoshop. We will also import some paths from Adobe Illustrator. So go to Photoshop, from shape panel I have created a circle and I set into a shape. I can easily change the color of shapes, but if I change into a path, then what will happen? I am not able to change the color, outline color or a solid color of this shape, because it does not allow me to change the color of a path. To change color, first I have to fill a solid on that path. That will create a custom shape, I mean a shape. So this shape color will be easily changed. So if I select and go to my panel and then click on a solid and click OK, set any value, does not change any value. Okay. Now I am able to change the color of the object from this dialog box and from the dialog box that is appear on a shape panel in a property bar. I can easily change the color. I can move, change the color easily. I have three options here. Last option is path. The last path that is appear below of this layer type things is a shape that I have recently built. If I delete this shape, nothing will display on a canvas. And this is my path that is already exist, and that helped me to build a shape. This is path. I cannot select this path from move or selection tool because it does not have the properties that I can use with move tool or a selection tool. I have to use path selection tool, and if I want to modify this, then I will use a path selection tool. I can also change this path into a selection. A certain portion of this canvas, actually a certain grid of the pixel, I have converted this path into selection, and now I am going to fill a color. I will use a shortcut that is for foreground color. I will click I will use Alt plus backspace. It will fill foreground color in my object. In fact, area, this selected area. Now selected area, I can deselect this. Short key is Control D. Panel size does matter. So it must be visible. The things that the layer contain must be visible. It helps the designer for better workflow. So now I have created a circle object from a selection. Before it was a path, then I convert this path into a shape, and then I change this path into a selection, and I produce a shape, a circle shape. I can also save this shape as a custom shape. Anti-aliasing, you can see here, properly work. Make the object very smooth, very beautiful, because the edges are not sharp enough that they destroy the whole object. The appearance of the object must be beautiful. If I select this shape and press delete, the shape will delete. I am going to create a shape, actually a heart shape, in a Illustrator. I already opened the Illustrator. I will use pen tool to create a half portion of a heart. Illustrator give you very beautiful and very convenient ways to build shapes like this shape in a beautiful and in a easy way. I have completed half portion of the heart. It is normally impossible to create actually symmetric parts in this type of shapes. So we use a copy of this part to build the second part of the object. Fill a color will help you easily manage the object. So select the portion, half portion actually, and duplicate this option. Understand? You can also use transform panel to reflect the objects vertically. Even I can use copy, but I have created a copy already. I am going to align this object by align tool. Smart guide help you a lot to make shapes. So use join to make a single path that will produce best results. Otherwise it will not work properly in Photoshop, because they are two separate shapes you are watching. So select these points and join them. I can easily join. You can see there are two parts, left part and right part. They are separate. Even they are not complete path. They are open path. But now I have joined both ends where the path were not joined. Average option is the best. I select this selection tool. Actually I use direct selection tool. So now I am able to copy this shape from Illustrator to Photoshop for further processing. So I will copy this shape from Illustrator and paste into Photoshop. I will keep path. I can see easily path. In a path panel, I already discussed 3 tabs buttons below right side. Now I am able to move this path. I can easily little modification. I can do little modification by using direct selection tool in a Photoshop. I am going to change the point position by using a selection tool, path direct selection tool. Now I am going to fill this path. Actually, I am going to build a shape that will look beautiful. Red color of earth. I am going to select this and use this option solid color. Okay, select desired color. Okay, now I can change the color from the top property side. Okay, so in this way we can easily manage path and shapes. Also can copy from Illustrator paths into Photoshop and can do beautiful things in Photoshop and Illustrator combination. I am going to build this shape into my custom shapes, so I will be able to use this shape later. Press OK. Delete this shape. Go to custom shape and my shape that I have been built will appear. Delete this shape. New layer. Click on a shape that I already built, but I am not able to change the color. To change color, the whole process will be repeat. So in this way I can easily transform shapes into path and path into shapes. It's very easy. Now I am able to change the color very easily. If you like my video and my content, please subscribe my channel, share my video content. Bye bye.